Hello everyone, this is Randy and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unbagging for a Etsy.com purchase. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, this is a custom-made shirt by Rockin' Baby Boutique. I'm a huge fan of both the New Orleans Saints and the Philadelphia Eagles, and I thought, you know what, I want a shirt that represents both of my teams. So this is just a plain white t-shirt. Let me show you guys. The back, nothing on the back. And here is the front again. I have to say I am really impressed with the embroidery of the heart. The t-shirt is a really good quality cotton t-shirt, really nice and sturdy. And here is the information of the Etsy store for you guys to check out. And here is their name yet again. So yes, here is my very quick Etsy purchase unboxing video for you all. This is actually my first item that I ever received from Etsy. My parents got this for me as an early Christmas gift, so I really am pleased with the quality of the shirt, especially the embroidery of the heart and as well as the pattern of both the Saints and the Eagles logos. So I'm overall really pleased, and the price was a really good one. This was under $20. So if you want to check out the store, I will link their Etsy store in the description box down below. This has been Randy. I hope to see you all in the next video, and as always, take care.